Hi everyone, this is Jennifer Serber, and this is my fifth video for 5 new technologies. The website I chose is Storybots, and I just love Storybots. And the reason why I love Storybots is because I feel like it's such a fun and encouraging way for children to learn different subjects and themes. Also, I appreciate that they offer a bunch of different educational tools such as TV shows, videos, music, and books. Not only can this be used at home, it can be used in the classroom. So I went ahead and pulled up the Storybot website just to show you. In the right-hand corner here, it lists all the educational tools. So if you click on TV shows, it shows you all their TV shows. You can see that you can stream these shows on Netflix. And I did a little background digging and researching on Storybots and found out that they actually stream in 190 countries, and Storybots has been translated into 22 languages, which I think is amazing. Also, I found out that the creators of Storybots are brothers, and they also created JibJab. And the reason why they wanted to start this educational media franchise is because they wanted something to impact their children, like Sesame Street and Jim Henson did to them when they were younger. Also, if you go up to videos, which videos is one of my favorite things, you can find them on YouTube, and you can use them within the classroom. One of my favorite videos is this little planet one right here. It talks about the planets in the solar system. So I thought I'd show you just a little bit of it off of YouTube to understand why I love it so much. I think it's very captivated. They use bright colors. They bring in a fun music. And I really feel like the content that they're sharing will be comprehended because the kids will be extremely engaged in it. So I'm just going to show you a little bit over here on YouTube.
You can hear it from here too.
We are the planets of the solar system, different sizes for everyone. The music never ends, we are such good friends, and we all orbit the sun.
Here comes the sun, rapping first on this track from the beginning. I'm the center of the solar system, planets be spinning around me. So hot, I'm roasting, you see. Now I pass the mic to the planet closest to me.
Mercury, the smallest planet, small as Earth's.
So yeah, I feel like it's just really fun and captivated for kids. If you go up to the right hand corner and click on music, it will show you where you can stream music or download music from. So you have Amazon, Apple, Google, and Spotify. And also they offer books. So here's a list of all their books, ABCs, Cars Are Cool. So I just really feel like Storybots is a great way for parents and teachers to bring in some educational learning to home and to their classrooms. At home, you have the TV shows, you can have the books. At school, you can have videos, you can have the books and the music. So I just really love Storybots, and I wanted to share this with you all.